Hello everyone, welcome back to Mexmew. I'm Max, and today I'm going to reveal an incredible trick to drastically save your Android phone's battery life. We are going to disable one hidden setting that is automatically active inside the developer options. Before we move on, please click the like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss out on other secret gadget tips. Let's get started. Step 1. We need to enable developer mode. Go to your settings, scroll down, and select About Phone. Enter software information, then tap the build number 7 times. Enter your phone's PIN, and a message will appear saying that developer mode has been activated. Now, go back to the main settings menu. At the very bottom, you will see a new menu called Developer Options. Enter that menu, then search for or type in the setting named Mobile Data Always Active. Pay close attention. By default, this feature is turned on so your phone keeps mobile data active even when you are connected to Wi-Fi. The goal is an instant network switch, but the impact on your battery is terrible. Why let your mobile data modem work over time while Wi-Fi is on? This is a major cause of battery drain because the device is forced to run two connections simultaneously. By turning this option off, you will save a lot of battery power and also your mobile data quota. Don't worry, the switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data will still happen automatically when you leave the house. There might just be a few seconds of delay. For 99% of Android users, saving battery is much more important than a 1-second network switching speed. Go ahead and disable this setting right now. Feel the difference. Your phone's battery will be much more durable and last way longer. Let me know in the comments. Was this feature active on your phone before? Thanks for watching Mexmew below. I'm Max. I hope this is helpful. Stay positive and I'll see you in the next video.